Welcome to Flavors for Life, Healthy Culinary Movement. Let's learn how to boost mitochondria. What are mitochondria? Mitochondria are specialized structures found in cells. Their most important function is to extract the energy that is stored in the chemical bonds of nutrients and transform it into a form of energy that cells can use to power their activity. This form of energy is a molecule called ATP. They are called the powerhouse of the cell because they generate around 90% of all ATP produced in our body. How do mitochondria help us? When mitochondria work optimally, cells are fueled efficiently and biological pathways run smoothly. But when mitochondria are dysfunctional, they start to accumulate damage and cellular processes start to gradually get disrupted. Mitochondrial dysfunction caused by damage accumulation is one of the hallmarks of aging. Why is it important to boost mitochondria? Improving mitochondrial fitness, their efficacy in generating energy, and their capacity to avoid or repair damage to their biochemical machinery may contribute to a healthier aging process. 8 ways to boost mitochondria. Calorie restriction. Reducing calorie intake, through fasting diets for example, is the most successful approach to enhance longevity. This success can be attributed, at least partially, to an increase in mitochondrial bioenergetic efficiency. Exercise. Exercise requires a great deal of energy to power our muscles. That puts a burden on muscle mitochondria, which signals that energetic demand to the rest of the cell. Muscle cells respond by producing more mitochondria and more mitochondrial enzymes. Exercise is also one of the best ways to improve mitochondrial biogenesis and function in aging muscle, helping to delay the age-related decline in mitochondrial activity and muscle health. Mitochondrial nutrients. Mitochondrial nutrients include B vitamins, minerals, polyphenols, and other nutrients such as L-carnitine, alpha-lipoic acid, CoQ10, PQQ, and creatine. They can be taken as supplements, or they can be found in natural unprocessed foods, fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds, seafood, and meat. Sleep. The human brain requires a lot of energy, and because of its high metabolic rate, the brain accumulates a lot of metabolic waste. During sleep, the brain gets rid of products that can be toxic to mitochondria. Poor sleep damages mitochondria, but a good night's sleep helps the brain keep mitochondria healthy. Relaxation techniques. Chronic stress can cause mitochondrial dysfunctions and modify cellular and biological processes. Practices that help manage stress, meditation, yoga, tai chi, or breathing exercises, for example, may help prevent the effects of stress. Sunlight. Without forgetting that excessive unprotected sunbathing can be very harmful, it's important to remember that the right amount of sun is fundamental for our health. A well-known effect of sunlight is the production of vitamin D in our skin. Vitamin D is necessary for mitochondrial activity. Cold exposure. When we're cold, 2 types of tissues respond immediately by generating extra heat. One is skeletal muscle, which produces heat through shivering. The other is brown adipose tissue, BAT or brown fat, responsible for non-shivering heat production. In both skeletal muscle and brown fat, cold stimulates an increase in mitochondrial activity and mitochondrial biogenesis. Therefore, cold exposure in the form of cold showers can boost mitochondria to keep us warm. Heat exposure. Heat can also trigger beneficial biological responses. Heat stress triggers beneficial adaptive response in mitochondria that increase their functional capacity. Studies show that routine sauna bathing can improve endurance performance and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, for example.
For more informational videos, please visit our YouTube channel, youtube.com/@Flavors for Life.